Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun video. I know I say it's a fun video. It's because I made a couple of purchases recently and then I'm so excited to review them. And this happens to be a blush, which I think the more I'm uploading, I'm realizing I have an obsession with blush and I have an obsession with highlighter. So I'm going to share my obsession with you because I know I'm not the only one that loves blush, because we talk in the comments and we talk about new blushes or blushes that are like tried and true. So today's a new blush. All right. Today's blush is going to be the NYX Sweet Cheeks. It's a soft cheek tint mousse, blush mousse. Yes, I am holding an orange colored blush in my hand. This is it. I'm gonna go over some swatches. I'm gonna go over application, texture. We're gonna put it on, and yeah, you guys know the deal. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Anna. If you're not new here, hi. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's just get into it. All right, so yes, it's an orange blush, and I'm gonna tell you why I got an orange blush. Went to Ulta a couple of weeks ago, and first of all, I've been seeing this on Instagram. It's just constantly being on my feed, like a promotion, and I'm like, that's really, I don't know, there's something interesting about it. Go to Ulta. It was this shade and a nude shade, and I'm like, why couldn't they have more shade? The Ulta stand was just so bare, which I was surprised because during a quarantine, I guess, I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I shouldn't be surprised. We're home, we want to go shopping. Yeah, maybe that was my bad. But still, there was only two of these. It was this color and it was like a very nude color. And now when you're looking at through here, first of all, I didn't realize that the shade that I'm about to show you is like the same color as this one. The other one was a nude color and it was very brown, and if the color's too brown for me, it's gonna make me look dead. So I'm like, all right, let me go with a color that is a little bit vibrant. So I went with this one. This color is called Almost Famous. Now I'm going to cut into swatches for you guys, and you guys are gonna see, you're gonna be like, holy moly, that is super, super, super orange. And yes, it is. So let's cut into swatches so you guys could see. All right, so here we have the NYX Sweet Cheeks. It's a moussey sort of blush, and it looks like a lip gloss. So this is the packaging. The shade I have is Almost Famous. This was like the only shade they had left at the store, so I picked it up. So let's see. Just kind of take it out. I believe it has a doe foot applicator. Yes, it does. That is a very bright orange shade. Wow. Okay. We are gonna see. I feel like a little bit goes a long way. All right. It feels like a matte lipstick. And I'm just gonna blend it out. It feels nice. It dries down to like a velvety kind of finish. I'm not crazy about the color, but I think the finish is nice. You can still see through the skin, you could see my veins. So it's not like a full coverage, but you can layer it on obviously to intensify the color. But that's what it looks like. All right, you saw the swatches. Crazy, right? Super bright. I have not put this on my face, and it's funny because I've had it for some time and I've been waiting to kind of put it on together. I swatched it, but then I pushed it to the side. So here we go. Again, it's Almost Famous, and I'm going to open it up and see, that's the same color. That's insane. Look. All right. Now, I'm not going to go directly onto my face because I saw how pigmented it was. I'm just going to put some on my hand. I don't know. I don't know about this color. We're going to find out together. So I'm going to just pat it on. And again, it's not like a straight up liquid. It is moussey. It's, It's moussey is the best way to describe it. It's like a cream, but there's a little body to it. So we're going to take it and I'm going to just apply it. And I'm going to switch fingers because I'm not trying to go too heavy. So I'm not completely against orange blushes, but depending on how they look, sometimes it just doesn't go well with my skin tone. But I think we can make this kind of work and look like more of a flush. See, like that, that's wearable. Now let me tell you guys something. I have a blush that I love from Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. It's called Clementine, and it reminds me of this one a lot. Okay, that's not bad. Now let's build it up a little bit more, right? Because I know some of you are gonna say, Anna, you can't even see it. It's a cream blush. Like, come on, just put it on. So I'm gonna do that just for you guys. Now that was one layer, layer two. So see, like when I'm putting it on, like there's just something odd about it, but switching off to my other finger and I'm gonna blend it out. And kind of see how that goes. What do you guys think? I think one layer is pretty. I think 2 layers is, it's a little bit much. But what I can tell you is it blends out really nice. It's pretty seamless. I'm just not crazy about the color, you know? Maybe not now, maybe in the summer. I don't know. It's not bad though. I think I went a little too crazy with my blush too close to my nose. So let me just put a little foundation. It's a little bit of foundation here, just to blend it out. What do you guys think? It's not bad. It's not bad, but the color I'm not crazy about. I think the formula is nice. I think the texture's really good. See? And I'm still working off that swatch. So the pigment is there for sure. Like I just picked up whatever was still on my hand and just kind of tapping it around. And the color, I mean, the color payoff is there. So a little bit goes a long way. Blends amazing. Blends really good, actually. I like that a lot. And I would say it's fairly easy to use. Like I feel like sometimes with liquid blushes, they can be tricky. They either dry down too fast, they're too streaky, or they're patchy, or you need a brush. I didn't try this with a brush. I like to work with my fingers. I feel like the warmth of your fingers will melt the product onto your face better. But that's really pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like that a lot. So with 1 layer, I like the color better. I think 2 layers, I mean, it's growing on me. It's growing on me. I like it. All right, so where can you find this? You can find it on nyx.com. You can find it at Ulta. That's where I got mine. I don't see these at does anybody, I'm just curious, if you go to CVS and you do have a NYX kiosk thing there, do you guys ever find blush? Because I never find blush, or I find like that ombre blush. Like there's only like 1 type of blush there. That's it, which kind of bummed me out because you guys know I like to go to CVS to get my makeup. It's like 5 minutes away. And I was hoping to find this there, but I didn't see it. So, oh, I wanted to tell you guys something because I was looking up information about NYX. By the way, this is my first NYX review, I think, on my channel. So that's something I wanted to share. The second thing, oh, I forgot to talk about the claims. I usually do that in the beginning. All right, the claims is naturally cheeky color. The formula is a natural finish with a second skin feel. I do think that, like, it doesn't feel like you have anything on your face. It feels nice and just soft. I think the color did grow on me. I like it. Okay. It is buildable. You saw that. And it's easy to blend. And did you guys know that on NYX's website or wherever they have pictures, they don't retouch? I just found that out. And I like that. I can appreciate that very much. I like that a lot. I don't like when makeup companies either do like a ton of retouching or they do the false eyelashes when they're trying to sell mascara. I can't stand that because it's like, you give me false hope when you do that. You know what I mean? And I don't like that. So that made me happy. I can appreciate that. I can stand behind that. I love that. Like if you don't retouch, like CVS, that's another reason why I like CVS. CVS needs to sponsor me because I'm like, CVS. Anyways, if you go to CVS, they have this, what is it? Unaltered Beauty. I think that's what it's called. So anytime you see a picture in the store, only in the store, for a particular brand, it has not been retouched. Like go to your CVS and even look at the Flower Beauty. You see Drew Barrymore, not retouched at all. And she's a gorgeous woman. And you know what? She's got, I don't know how old she is, but we all have fine lines. She's got some fine lines and she just looks gorgeous and it's not retouched or anything. And I love that. So I think you guys should try this. If you have tried this in other colors, let me know and tell me which ones you guys recommend because I do like the formula. It's very easy to use. And like I said, a little bit goes a long way. What I swatched was enough for both cheeks. And I probably still have like a little bit here that I could like add on. But I like this one. See, the color grew on me in this video right now. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.